Do you ever feel like you're lost in a labyrinth when trying to reach customer support for something important like your popular direct accounts? It's a common frustration. You have a question about a high-yield savings rate, a CD term, or maybe you just need to update some personal information, and you just want a straightforward way to talk to a human. Popular Direct is known for its competitive online-only banking products, but since they don't have physical branches you can walk into, knowing exactly how to get in touch with their support team is crucial. Getting reliable, direct support is essential for managing your money with confidence. That's why we're cutting through the noise and outlining the most effective ways to contact Popular Direct support, ensuring you get the answers you need quickly. The good news is Popular Direct offers a few different channels, depending on how urgent your query is and what time of day it is. First and often the fastest is the phone number. For general inquiries and direct assistance, you can call them at 1-800-274-5696. This number connects you directly to their customer service team. A major advantage of using the phone is the immediate, real-time conversation you can have with a representative. Keep in mind their hours of operation. They are typically available Monday through Friday, from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Always check the official Popular Direct website for the very latest hours, especially around holidays. If your question isn't urgent or you prefer to have a written record of your communication, the Secure Message Center is your best bet. If you are already an account holder, you can log into your Popular Direct online banking portal. Once logged in, navigate to the message or contact section. Sending a secure message is the ideal way to communicate sensitive account details without using standard, less secure email. Responses usually come within one business day. Finally, while not a direct support channel for complex issues, don't overlook their comprehensive FAQ or help center on the Popular Direct website. For common questions about opening accounts, transfers, or interest calculations, you can often find an immediate answer here, saving you a phone call or a wait time. Just navigate to the Contact Us or Help section on their main webpage. So, to quickly summarize. For immediate help, call 1-800-274-5696 during their business hours. For non-urgent, secure inquiries, use the secure messaging feature after logging into your online account. For quick answers to common questions, check their online FAQ and help center. Having these three options in your toolkit ensures you're never more than a few clicks or a phone call away from managing your Popular Direct accounts effectively and securely. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.